Oh, Herbie. What have they done to you, old friend? I should never have left you here alone. They said she couldn't be fixed. But she waited here all these years.
It's a pleasure to finally meet you, sir. We're honored you chose us for the restoration.
She's been waiting a long time for this. Please take good care of her.
This hole here, that's where the railing hit. And the door hasn't opened in months.
I see. The rear panel seems warped as well.
The cost reflects the specialized parts and the labor involved. We aim for authenticity.
I understand. That seems like a reasonable agreement.
Here's the final payment, sir. We'll take good care of Herbie.
Thank you, son. She's been a good friend to me.
Keep coming straight back, nice and slow. A little more to the left. All right, hold it there. Perfect.
Don't you worry, she's strapped in tight. We'll have her looking good as new.
I appreciate that.
As expected, significant corrosion on the lower panels. We'll need to source original spec metal for the replacement. As you can see, the front apron is heavily rusted. When I press here, the metal just flakes away. The bumper impact was significant.
The deep rust patches above the handle and the dent edge show significant metal deformation. We need a full replacement for this panel. This area is heavily oxidized. It's rusted through completely, so patching won't be enough. We need a full panel replacement.
Finally, look at this mess. The cooling system is completely rusted through. This will need a full rebuild.
So, the seized carburetor needs to be replaced entirely. However, these cooling shrouds, despite the corrosion, are candidates for a full rebuild.
Okay, the shell is exposed. We can see the extent of the rust here. Let's move on to the interior dismantling phase. Coming up slowly. Check your pads.
Front left is secure.
Rear right aligned. The stand is secure. Let's start with the carburetor.
I'll grab the long nose pliers for the linkage.
Sockets are organized by size here. Size confirmed, 50 over.
Okay, pressing into saddle.
Look at the scoring here. We need to measure the runout on the journals. First axis, 60.00 millimeters. Second axis, 59.85 millimeters. Size confirmed, 50 over.
Okay, pressing into saddle.
"25 foot-pounds. Move to the next one. And again, 25 foot-pounds.
Starting the sequence now.
Oil pressure is rising smoothly, holding steady in the green.
Sounds exceptionally healthy, no abnormal noises detected.
The alignment is good on this side.
Torquing the top bolt.
Next bolt ready. This section here needs to sit snugly in the clips along the floor pan. Watch the routing around the rear torsion arm. Right here, there's a low spot on the quarter panel.
I feel it. We'll need filler here.
Hold it just like that.
Okay, the bolts are secure. Let's ease it down.
Panel gap looks perfect on this side. Check the gap on the left side.
Okay, applying torque now.
Alignment is spot on. Pump the pedal and hold it down.
Holding it down.
Okay, you can release now. Firm pedal.
Confirmed, feels good.